Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to find call recordings on your iPhone. So let's get started. If you somehow call recorded someone on your iPhone and if you find it where it is actually stored, this is what we have to do. First of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here, tap on the notes. Now you can see all the call recordings will be saved on the notes. You can see over here it says call with my personal number. I just recorded a random kind of things over here. So you can find the call recording here if you tap on it. So these are the call recording that I'm having. So if I wanted to play it, I can just go over here, tap on it, and right now you can see this is the call recording. And if I play from here, this is how what I have what I have talked to them so far over here. And also if you can just tap over here like this if you wanted, and also you can see along with the call recording there will be having a kind of an auto description what you spoke to that particular person. It's kind of getting like in a script, but make sure one thing that it won't be 100% like correct one, but even though by automated kind of things they're just generating over here like a script, and this is how we can get it. So this is where you can find the call recordings, and if you wanted to delete it, you can delete it as well. You can do like this, so you can delete it. If you wanted to make any kind of change, you can do it. If you wanted to share, you have all these kind of options to share it as well, and this is how we can get it. If you wanted to play it once again from your end, you can play it, and if you wanted to delete it, that is also possible. So this is how we can find the call recordings on your iPhone. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. That's it. Bye.